Hey guys, it's Lauren. So for today's video, I'm going to be recreating a look that Goth Pixie did, and I love her. She does like the coolest, like dark, creepy, beautiful, like creative looks. I'm doing an old one she did that's like black and white called Sad Girl. So my skin's not too bad today. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer on the red spot. And I'm gonna use my foundation. So I'm going to use my Morphe gel liner in Slate. I look crazy with black brows.
Yeah. Oh, girl. Blood.
It's funny because I actually had black hair, but that was before filling in your eyebrows was a thing. So I'm going to take my contour and just lightly contour with my Colourpop bronzer. Private Party that I hit pan on yesterday. I keep seeing myself with the black brows and just like, okay, so now I'm trying to think of which palette I have that has the most like gray tones. Oh, I literally don't have any gray eyeshadow, like matte gray, because you know, why would I? I do, however, have a Colourpop. So I just use Colourpop liquid lipstick in Petit 4 and just a little bit of silver eyeshadow over top of that. I'm going to go under my eye with the same silver and a little bit of black. So now I'm going to use the same brush I use for my eyebrows because this is like a Morphe gel liner. So I'm going to use that just to draw out the shape of my lips. I still have to do the little droplets. Okay then, so I've touched up the edges. I'm going to add a little bit of liner. Alright, just mascara and lashes. Okay, so far this is like so sick and I'm so happy with how this is coming out. Okay, so I'm going to be wearing my Morphe lashes in Rodeo. I'm my bottom lashes are NYX and exposed. Alright, so this is the final. And now I'm going to put my wig on and I'll be right back. So this is the final look with my wig, and I decided to put a beanie on. My sad girl goth pixie impersonation, and not impersonation, inspiration. Alright guys, I really enjoyed this look. I think it came out sick. I think it's so good, and I love Goth Pixie. I've always wanted to recreate one of her looks. I'm so glad I finally did, and I'm super happy with it. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye! Honestly, like, should I dye my hair black again?